Bow, bow. Alright. Big ass mountain. Street. Ah!
I'm not going to talk.
This is insane. Man, this is crazy. I'm finna go in the house. Get under the cover somewhere on the road. Look at this. Oh! Dang, I almost just fell. I would've been salty. I would've fell in the snow. What's up, y'all? Hell yeah. Alright, let's get back on dry land. Solid dry land. Nothing much. Time to get back in the house. Huh? Bow, bow, bow. All the snow. Everywhere. Snow everywhere. And I bet they say it's gonna do this shit again next week. So shit, I don't know. I'm not finna go in the house though. On the real. Cars and shit stuck. Take mine in the house. Baby, live and direct out.